Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frontal. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So with this same hair, I have a tutorial on how to revive your curly hair, how to install your frontal, how to define your curls all day, and now I'm going to teach you guys how to uninstall your frontal or even your lace closure wig. Okay, so maybe you are back from work, you are tired, and all you want to do at that moment is to sleep, but you have to make sure that your expensive hair is secured. So I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay, so you're back from work, you're undoing yourself. So first of all, whatever style that your wig is, you have to make sure that it is undone. So mine's in a pony right now. I have to make sure that I undo the pony first. The heat is too much. Now you can't just pull your hair just like that. You're going to hurt yourself. So first of all, you have to grab some water in either a cup, a basin, even in your spray bottle. But if you've watched my how to define your curly hair tutorial, you know that my spray bottle is spoiled, so I'm just going to use a cup for this video. Okay, so you just grab your spray bottle, your cup, your basin, whatever. Make sure you are not using the cup, okay, because we are going to be doing something nasty. Grab your toothbrush, like your baby hair brush or any toothbrush that you do not use. Okay, just dip it into the water and do this. Okay, so by doing this, if you are using a spray bottle, to just spray an amount of water on your frontal, the part that is stuck on the glue on your head. Okay, using a spray bottle makes it much easier. So just do this. As you are doing this, the water is softening the glue on your head. So do this all around. Okay, so you are back from work, so you are tired. Please let me take off my lashes. Okay, now you can feel that the glue is quite loose on the lace, so just hold the side of your frontal. See, this is still stuck a little. That means that the water was not enough. So there it goes off. Now that is it. So you can hang your wig, or you can put it anywhere that you keep your wig caps. Okay, now for your forehead, just repeat the same thing and the glue will just come off by itself. Make sure you are not pushing your brush towards your hairline. Okay, so that is the glue and my foundation mixed together to get this brown whatever. So you just have to keep doing that until everything comes off. Don't do it too hard, because if the bristles of your brush is very hard, you might end up hurting yourself. Okay. Guys, so that is it. That is how to uninstall your frontal wig or your closure wig properly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for giving this video a thumbs up, because I know you liked it. And also thank you so much for sharing it on all your social media platforms. So now, if you want to repeat the same installation process to work or to party or to school the next day, your hairline is free and neat for you to do so. Bye. Wait, don't forget to follow me on my business page at frames.hair. Bye.